Before we start the proper conversation, I want to call on the cultural dance group from the Ministry of Tourism to do performance for us, to just set the scene, to get us lively up, such that we can start the conversation proper. Can I invite the cultural dance group, please, from the Ministry of Tourism and Culture? A big round of applause for them.
But today, we go all on make it too. I don't tell you.
I'm ready for you. Yeah? If you be not saying no, but you know, can put ourselves.
I will show you say me na man.
I will show you say me na woman.
Okay. Wait, you wait, yeah? You wait.
I will show you something.
This is a your heart down. Put your heart down. Sister, come. Now one something gets alone. Yes, ma'am. We all are one people, we all are one family. We all are settled. And mama now one country, we get. One country gets alone. We all are one people, we all are one family. We all. Mama now one country, we get alone. Now one country, we get alone. Mama one people, we all are one family. We all are Sierra Leone. And so we all are one people, we all are one family. We all are Sierra Leone. Now this will the first one, Salon. Salon, we say no violence. We all are one mommy, one daddy. So for this one, this call for celebration. Sit down and what is celebration from the Sierra Leone National Dance Group. God bless you.
Where use? You get use?
Yes, I get use.
This is the program where they give you the use where they happen all about the country.
Inside where use, we go take you text, Facebook and WhatsApp message. You complain where you go send as letter to the producer. We dey announce about team them working loss and plenty more.
We are there all about the country. But you self help for being the use to your area.
Where use, the original program where they give you updates.
Where use? You get use?
Yes, I get use.
Sierra Leone is a country on a new path of development, a new direction. As we awaken to a new sense of patriotism and pride as Sierra Leoneans, the Slbc brings together enlightened senior citizens with much experience to help steer Sierra Leoneans on the path of a defined course of pride and consciousness, a constructive nationalism. So, join the Slbc for the program Constructive Nationalism. Come and let's build Sierra Leone every Saturday at 3 p.m. on the Slbc. Constructive Nationalism on the Slbc.
then we come to one end for thee. Salon, for sex and peace and one more.
Are you tired of watching or listening to uninteresting television channels? Then your worries have been addressed, as the SLBC Podium is the answer to your concern.
The SLBC television show, The Podium, is one of the programs you can't afford to miss as a guest or a viewer.
Oh yes, Podium is a show where the mighty and the low will like to sit, because it is a trusted medium to channel your views, concerns and aspirations for Sierra Leone and other happenings around the globe.
Podium is where you get breaking news, because everyone wants to talk to us. If you hear it on Podium, ask no further.
Don't forget to join us every midday from Monday to Friday as we ask the hard questions that you otherwise would have asked to the newsmakers, the movers and shakers of events.
Don't miss the opportunity to be part of Sierra Leone's topmost midday show, The Podium, where the agenda is set for others to follow. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Goodbye.
We are the national broadcaster, and I am Sulaiman Baba Toure, a reporter and presenter at the SLBC. Your voice, my voice.
From the commercial department, I am Regina Bangura. You are watching SLBC. Your voice, my voice.
I am Jonathan Turner, a reporter for Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation, SLBC. As a reporter, I do stories on education, health, politics, and more. Stay glued with SLBC to watch my stories. Your voice, my voice.
Lucian Ganda, producer Wayus, and producer and presenter Christian Editions on TV. This is the SLBC.
I am William Wise, presenter Wayus and also reporter at the SLBC, and this is the SLBC.
I am Salma Tabak, television executive producer. I produce programs on both radio and television. I'm a news anchor, a presenter, an announcer on radio. I enjoy what I do because I serve a public service broadcaster. It's a pleasure to work with the SLBC.
I am Tilly Koma, Head of News and Current Affairs Unit, Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation. Our news hour now covers several segments. We have entertainment, business, weather, sports, ferry schedule, and human interest stories, not forgetting politics. We are doing all that to keep you people posted on what's happening all over the country. Thanks for being with us at SLBC. Keep blue. We are the best.
name is Samuel Bangwa, a camera operator at SLBC. I always capture the scene you see on TV. So stay glued to the public broadcaster.
My name is Samuel Kabia, a news anchor and sports producer at SLBC.
Hello, I am Esther Maisama, reporter and presenter of SLBC Sport.
I am Princess Gibson, executive producer, radio, gatekeeping, radio content, producer, public squire, your program that brings you conversation on topical issues, and also presents our breakfast show, Good Morning Sierra Leone.
Hello, my name is Daphne Zainab Kamara. I am a television producer at the SLBC. I also read the news on television and present the podium on television too. I also announce on radio. Stay tuned to the SLBC.
Providing authentic information has been one of the pillars that SLBC relies on. I am Mohamed Slbc Tv, a reporter who has developed insatiable appetite for human interest stories. Continue to stay with Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation for your best in broadcast journalism.
As a public broadcaster, we believe in giving out objective stories, and your interest is our concern. I am Moses Sile Conte, a reporter at the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation. Stay tuned.
Sierra Leone is a country on a new path, a new path of development, a new direction. As we awaken to a new sense of patriotism and pride as Sierra Leoneans, the SLBC brings together enlightened senior citizens with much experience to help steer Sierra Leoneans on the path of a defined course of pride and consciousness, a constructive nationalism. So, join the SLBC for the program Constructive Nationalism. Come and let's build Sierra Leone every Saturday at 3 p.m. on the SLBC. Constructive Nationalism on the SLBC.
Where use? You get use?
Yes, I get use.
This is the program where they give you the use where they happen all about the country.
Inside where use, we go take you text, Facebook and WhatsApp message. You complain where you go send as letter to the producer. We dey announce about team them working loss and plenty more.
We are there all about the country. But you self the for being the use that you area.
Where use? The original program where they give you updates.
Where use? You get use?
Yes, I got use.
alone, for sake of peace and one more.
Sierra Leone, the Lion Mountain. There's something about the green, white and blue. The one we criticize them, not getting no clue. There's something about the green, white and blue. And when we step in at the land, yes, I feel so good. The people are happy, counting the blessings. We so blessed, we got the natural resources. There is no place I would rather be. Mama Salon is the place to be. Yeah. Come let me take you around the Lion Mountain to see the beauty and to see the fountains. Let me take you around the Lion Mountain to see the beauty. Oh, come to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go near this wall, I not go forget salon. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go now this wall, I not go forget salon. Yes, you're missing, you know what you're missing. If you never been to Sierra Leone, you don't know what you're missing. Fine, fine bitches everywhere. Fine salon, titi and baba, them they everywhere. Don't tell where we they live in peace. Even though we disagree, now we they keep the peace. So 24/7 we they enjoy. From Freetown to Kenema, oh to Kenema, we they enjoy. I say from Tokyo to Matu, Saloma to Papa Clef, we enjoy. That's why me tell you, say, let me take you around the Lion Mountain to see the beauty and to see the fountains. Let me take you around the Lion Mountain to see the beauty. Don't come to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go now this wall, I not go forget salon. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go now this wall, I not go forget salon. No matter who side you come up, I dey welcome you to salon. From Europe, America, I dey welcome you to salon. From Asia around the world, welcome to salon. Welcome to salon. Lion Mountain, land of the free. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go now this wall, I not go forget salon. Welcome to a sweet, sweet, sweet salon. Any side where I go now this wall, I not go forget salon. I said welcome to Sierra Leone, wherever you from. Welcome. Beautiful country, nice organic food. West Africa, Sierra Leone is the place to be.
join them and build this land. Oh, I just feel say now me and you go make ya. I just feel say now me and you go make ya. I just feel say now we no more go make ya. I just feel say now we no more go make ya. Let we live by that and Congo sa. Let we pull we and pandent in them with a poil salon. Oh, 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 oh. Salon, now we come tea. Sweet salon, now we for try for build this country. Fine, fine salon. It no matter how we be today. Thing go fine one day. I said thing go better one day. Lion Mountain, beautiful beaches, hills and valleys, plenty of fishes, diamond and gold, rutile and bauxite. All we get from make salon become paradise. Let we come together, forget for tribalism. Oh, 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 oh. Salon, now we come to sweet salon. Now we for try for build this country. Fine, fine salon. It no matter how we be today. Thing go fine one day. I said thing go better one day. I pledge my love and loyalty to my country salon. I vow to serve her faithfully at all times. I promise to defend her honor and good name. Always work for unity, peace, freedom, and prosperity. Always work for unity, peace, freedom, and prosperity. I put her interest above all else. So help me God. So help me God. Salon, now we come to sweet salon. Now we for try for build this country. Fine, fine salon. It no matter how we be today. Thing go fine one day. I said thing go better one day. Mama, so long, we owe it to you. We go do all thing where we go able for better we you. Mama, so long, may God bless you. We go change the attitude and ready for better we you.
Let's have a dance. Give me another chance, 'cause I have really needed you. I'm still the same. I've played a waiting game. You ought to know my love is true. So if I hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. If I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. I gave you a clue about a thing I wanna do. Hope you would give me the answer I need. I've got a ring and lots of pretty things. Somehow I aim to succeed. So if I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. So if I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. You see, this picture shows you how lonely I have been. I've always been on the outside looking in. Yeah, see what I mean? It would be a happy feeling if I could hold you and kiss you again. Now you're with me, I can really make you see that only true love can win. Oh, if I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. If I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. You see, this picture shows you how lonely I have been. I've always been on the outside looking in. Yeah, see what I mean? It would be a happy feeling if I could hold you and kiss you again. Now you're with me, I can really make you see that only true love can win. If I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. If I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. Sing on, Masco.
Come say hello, 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 everybody.
Tell them
say hello, 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 everybody.
Show them
in case you don't know them, I call him Body Man. And sometimes he come out in dress in black. Him gonna lead you the way, me say straight from the back. I threw them, I talk with them, I say him no slack. So really the girl them I love Bunny Mac. This a Bunny Mac style. I tell you this a Bunny Mac style. Say well, hey, you saw them style here so really and true them wicked and wild. They just come out in fashion all the while, you know. Come say 1 and 1 and 2, come make me tell you what to do. Say 2 and 1 and 3, say we want to be free. Say 3 and 1 and 4, you better open up your door. 'Cause 4 and 1 and 5, it be they come out live. Say 5 and 1 and 6, you better keep your funny tricks. Say 6 and 1 and 7, say now 7 days a week. Say each and every day, say he really love you so. He love you from the heart and then he love you from the start. He love you from the heart and he will never part. This a lover dog style. I tell you this a Bunny Mac style. On your mark say you better get set. Boy, you have been telling what to get. On your mark say you better get set. Don't you ever forget. This a Bunny Mac style. I tell you this a Bunny Mac style. May your gentle soul rest in perfect peace. Legendary Bunny Mac. Always remember him.
I be loving the beat.
The biggest producer.
Sierra Leone, now we own. Sierra Leone, now we own. No place like Africa, Africa. No place like Africa. salon. Sierra Leone, now we own. Sierra Leone, now we own. No place like Africa. Africa, no place like Africa. Africa. I pledge my love and loyalty to my country, Sierra Leone. I vow to serve her faithfully at all times. No place like home, una can let we make salon. Let we help yourself, let we help yourself. We all now one. No matter you tribe, no matter you color, we all now one. So any side you do, remember say, salon now we own. Sierra Leone, now we own. Sierra Leone, now we own. No place like Africa. Africa, no place like Africa. Africa. Yelele, yelele, ma. Yeah. Sierra Leone, West Africa. Azuma, zuma, 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 le. We are black, Mama Zuma, le. We are one, Mama Zuma, le. We are black, Mama Zuma, le. We are one. Africa, land of minerals. This is Africa, land of freedom. Africa, with lovely people. Sierra Leone, now we own. Sierra Leone, now we own. No place like Africa. Africa, no place like Africa. Africa.
Yeah. I just want to thank God for His grace.
On the beat.
Cause He's been so good to me, man. Blessings coming from left, right, center. And I make me enemies, then they wonder, you know. Hey, hello. Yeah. Them say I too they shine, and then no one forever see me they shine. Or the one for see me suffer. Then no one for see me they prosper. But Papa got it by my side, and I in they make her they shine. His blessings all around me. He make me enemies, then they wonder. Let me say me music not go blow because the beat is very slow. But everywhere that I go now me they run me the show. Let me feel say I not go make 'em, but by His grace I say I don't make 'em. From Liberia to Salon, London to all over the world. Papa God now you bang bang, Jehovah now you bang bang. Lord you keep on blessing me. You make me enemies, then they afraid me. Now you bang bang, Jehovah now you bang bang. Lord you keep on blessing me. You make me enemies, then they envy. Now you bang bang, Jehovah now you bang bang. Daddy you keep on blessing me. You make me enemies, then they afraid me. Now you bang bang, Jehovah now you bang bang. You keep on blessing me. All me enemies, them just the envy. I remember when nobody cared for me, and you the only one who was there for me. All hopes I had was gone. Friends and families all were gone. You promised me to be strong, and one day me time go come. Yeah. Right now celebrating. All my enemies them they be vexing. They no one see where bad man they vexing. Fire go burn them now. Right now I'm celebrating. Now so the money I'm just calculating. Higher to the top I'm just elevating. Papa God now you bang bang. Jehovah now you bang bang. Lord you keep on blessing me. You make me enemies, then they afraid me. Now you bang bang. Jehovah now you bang bang. Lord you keep on blessing me. You make me enemies, then they envy. Now you bang bang. Jehovah now you bang bang. Daddy you keep on blessing me. You make me enemies, then they afraid me. Now you bang bang. Jehovah now you bang bang. You keep on blessing me. All me enemies, them just the envy. Now could I get a voice for the sing? Now you. Now could I give me life I dey live? Now you. Papa, could I give me power to defeat all my enemies? Daddy, now you. I just wanna say thank you. I thank you, Daddy. Now you bang bang, Jehovah, now you bang bang. Daddy, you keep on blessing me. You make me enemies then they afraid me. Now you bang bang, Jehovah, now you bang bang. You keep on blessing me. All me enemies them just the envy. Yeah. Yes, I just want to say thank you, Lord, for your grace.
Due to special request and popular demand, the Jump and King must come. Back again with the remix. We come on a salon. We come to England. Oh yeah, but we don't run away. We come for better. We people that want for see what we they do. We people that want for know what we they say. Come on. Oh, we like we salon. Oh now, yeah. Oh, we like we salon. We get we fine beach. We get with sunshine. We get fine bobo them. Well now. We get fine TT them. Well now. We get with diamond, bauxite and kimberlite. Better than they. Now for that make we tell you say. Oh, we like we salon. Mama Salon, we like you. The Portuguese man say the mountain and feed a lion. And we don't see say Salon and trunk like iron. And if we try for labor, we go reap the benefit. So many people then, when I join me can make me say, oh, we like we salon. A salon, salon, and we like we salon. Oh, we like we salon. Like that day. Sweet salon, we like you too much. We sweet salon, we like you pass mark. We sweet salon. Hey! Them fine bobo, oh yeah. Them fine titi, oh yeah. Them fine bobo, tell them. Them fine titi, tell them. Woo! Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f. Do so. Yes! I make a member. Yes, school days. Now we go praise you. We land of the free. Make we show the love where we all want for see. Make we gather, we set now, so we continue. Make we sing this sing for we native land. go America, Canada. The one that we go other side. We the one that waiting at the ground. They all want for know what you would say. Salon we like you, bad one. Yeah. Yes, Mama Salon. We got love for you. Beaucoup love. Baby, love. Hey, we like you. We like we Salon. Hey, Salon. We like we Salon. You make a member. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c.
Life no go ever sweet without
that thing what we call love. Now that make
Love Factor a very good program where any big person can look and enjoy.
Now the kind program we for spend time for watch. Now the kind program we for spend time for sit down for look.
And this program it made around land for my and I wonder you say for life.
The Love Factor show is about family, love, counseling,
relationship. So we dey build and maintain relationship. This na program so we dey counsel you for let you know how for deal with your partner, let you know how for settle disputes between you and your heart to heart.
Well, you do hear it for yourself.
Join the Love Factor team
every Sunday 10 p.m.
for help make we all enjoy love and peace.
politician, when you vote for her, in the end, he can't tell you thank you. The politician that now, then they bring facts to the community. Then we not get peace, but we the fight and cry for this peace. If you're a woman, holla for peace. Government's going to go get her demand except for free. So we get one song will say, let we go before, now go the end. We not ever be end. Let we go before, now go the end.